problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is show that one of the bisectors of the angle between the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, this is equal to 0, will passes through the point of intersection of two straight lines given by the general equation of second degree if this relation holds. So we have to find two results. We first find the bisectors of the angle between the first line, and we have to find the point of intersection of this pair of straight line. Now first find the equation of bisectors. Is given by, we know that the equation of bisector is x squared minus y squared by the coefficient of x square is a and minus coefficient of y square is b, and the right side is xy by h. We know this result, and this is given by h into x square minus y square. This is equal to xy into a minus b. We name this is relation number 1. Now to find the point of intersection of this pair of straight line, this can be find out so many process here. We use here the process, another process. This is most important process, I think. We differentiate partially with respect to x this relation and getting the result as 2ax plus 2hy plus 2g, this is equal to 0. We first differentiate partially with respect to x, and now differentiate partially with respect to y again, and getting the result as 2hx plus 2by plus 2f, this is equal to 0. So we get ax plus hy plus g, this is equal to 0, and hx plus by plus f, this is equal to 0. If we take this function, this is capital F of xy, then this is del f by del x, and this is del f by del y. Okay, and taking this is equal to 0 and this is also equal to 0, we get two relation. Now solving these two, we get x by y by 1 by cross multiplication. We get this is hf minus bg, this is ag minus af, and this is ab minus h square. So we get the point of intersection xy, this is given by hf minus bg by ab minus h square and hg minus af by ab minus h square. Now since this bisectors passes through the point of intersection of these two lines, we already find out. So we put the value of x and y, this and this here. We get the result as h into, this is hf minus bg whole square minus hg minus af whole square by ab minus h square whole square, and the right side is equal to hf minus bg ag minus af into a minus b by ab minus h square whole square. We cancel out ab minus h square whole square from both sides, and getting the result as h into h square f square minus 2hfbg plus b square g square minus h square g square plus 2hgaf minus a square f square, and the right side is given by a minus b into we multiply this and this and getting the result h square into fg minus h a f square minus this is not a b h g square, and this is plus b square, this is abfg. Now by simplifying this result, this is already we get here, and 3 and 4 line we get our required result directly. We write here on simplification. You can write it by pausing the video in your exercise book, okay, and this is our required result. So this is very interesting and very easy problem of pair of straight line. Thank you for watching.